All right, so we've managed to separate the canard from the mold. It does not look great, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Dremel, cut it to shape, and then I'm gonna see how well it looks like I'll be able to sand it and get it to look like the other one. Then after that, I think I'm gonna start applying mold release wax to the rear spats. And the reason I'm gonna do that is because I would prefer to have a carbon fiber rear spat, because the ones from Varus Engineering are very thick. So I'm going to remake them in carbon fiber using the spats that I already have as a template. Let me go grab those. So the rear spats look like this. They're pretty dirty right now. I'll just clean them off. I've got 2 of these. Both sides are just mirrors. So what I'm gonna do is cut out a couple layers of carbon fiber and a couple layers of fiberglass. And then I'm just gonna sandwich it between these 2 with the mold release wax applied on the inside surface of these spats, and then I will use these as a template to drill the holes for the screws. Now, since I already installed these on my car at one point, the screws are already there, the hardware is installed. All I need to do is cut out this, cut the holes, and then I'll be ready to go. I'll probably give this a fresh coat of the Universal Clear Durable Top Coat. So I don't know if this is the best stuff to use, but we'll find out. So first thing on the agenda, set up the Dremel and get this canard cut out. Okay. This one does feel quite a bit thicker. Interesting. Okay. Mold release wax curing on that. Let's look at the canards. There we go. So we've got the last one that I did right here, and the driver's side one right here. So this one actually, I don't know if you can see here, but this dimension and this dimension are thicker. This one right here is about the same as this one. So what I think I did is I clamped down, and then after I clamped down, there was a lot of friction, and then I clamped the piston on, and it wasn't able to travel as far. So what I need to do is be more careful about progressively clamping each axis gradually. And I think that'll help a lot. So I will redo this one. This one I think is good. It actually looks really good. I'll probably sand it a little bit more. Let's see how this one fits on. That fits perfectly. Yep. That's really good. I don't know if you can see anything under here, but I'll leave the footage in if you can. So it comes up right above the wheel well. It'll create that vacuum right here. And that's what a canard is all about, and providing a little bit of downforce. So I went inside, cut the material. This has had plenty of time to air off. Put another coat on this. Gonna start putting coats on here. Okay, let's see how it worked. These are really nice clamps, by the way. If you need clamps, highly recommend it. Jorgensen? Yeah, very good, very good. Not sponsored. This is gonna be tricky. Try to just get a split somewhere. I mean, I knew this was gonna be difficult, but I may have not envisioned it to be this difficult, which was a mistake on my part. Let's see here. Okay, got a split right there, so. Boom. Oh, that is nice. Look at that oh wow, it came off of both of them. Look at that finish. That is good. And it is crazy lightweight. This is really nice. And we've got like our little drill markers right there. That is so good. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Super lightweight. This is awesome. What, like probably 10 times lighter than that, actually. 15 grams. 76. Okay, so not quite half, but, or 10 times lighter, but it's like 6, 7 times lighter. That is awesome. Just need to sand this, sand the edges down, fillet these corners, but I'm going to go ahead and make the next one. All right, I didn't plug in the mic or anything. Let's see if I can separate these real quick. Oh, and sneak peek. I painted the first one. That looks good, yeah. I'll show you how I cut it up and sanded it and painted it on this one. I just wanted to get that one out of the way, make sure I had a good process for what I was gonna do. Very good finish again. And so what I'll do is I'll just cut along these edges. It's pretty obvious where the mold ends, and then what we do is I sand it with a 100? Yeah, 100. Give it a light sand with that. Then we do sand with 320, and then we do a wet sand with 320, and then we do a wet sand with 1000. So then after that we paint it with this stuff that I showed you I think yesterday. This one has 3 coats on it, so looks pretty good. Got a fingerprint right there. Oh well, that part won't be visible anyway. Here's the back. This is what it looks like whenever I cut it out, so I still need to do this side. So this is basically what it'll look like finished product. Very cool. So then I'll show you the process for cutting this out and sanding and finishing it up.
Upgrades, people, upgrades.
All right, right, so I sanded the back of this one, probably touch up the paint, but I sanded the back. Now I did that outside, so I turned on a fan and kept the respirator on. Now I'm gonna wet sand, but I'll still keep my respirator on, just in case. Yeah, rounded out all the edges with the Dremel. Went over it again with the Milwaukee sander, so they're all nice and smooth. Yep. So now we're gonna start wet sanding. So I'll be able to do the back of this one and one side of this one, then I'll have to wait for it to dry, and then I can do the other side. Okay, now that I got these sanded, I'm gonna repaint this side, paint this side, and paint both sides of that, and then I'm gonna set them up like this to dry. Okay, set them up over there. It's a bit precarious, but as long as I don't bump it, it should be fine. Okay, the passenger side is good, driver's side is not. Okay, so it's this one.